Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the RALENO Photo Studio set. Wow, this is the complete studio for your video equipment, photo equipment as you like. 2.6 meter to 3 meter background support. It's a system with the Greenscreen set. It comes with softboxes, studio lighting kit with 5 times of 85 watt CFL 5500 Kelvin bulbs, photo lamps for production in video or photo production, for portrait videos, for photography as well. It's a complete photo studio. Includes the 2.6 to 3 meter background supported system, 1.8 to 2.8 meter background cloth, 3 of them, because we have black, white, and green cloth, 50 to 70 centimeter softbox 2 times, 84 centimeter soft umbrella 2 times, 85 watt CFL 5500 Kelvin bulbs, 5 of them, 2 meter light stand 4 times, a lamp holder 2 times, and a spring hanger 3 times, 6 centimeter 3-in-1 reflector is included, a nylon carry pack, and it's fully equipped and cost effective. This is definitive our inexpensive choice, because you will get all what you need in one box, so it is not so expensive for it total. Okay, the 2.6 meter to 3 meter background support system includes 2 times retractable tripods and 4 times segment crossbars. This is really easy to assemble, adjustable height from 4.3 feet to 8.5 feet, with everything what you need. With a good background stand, this is made of high quality aluminium alloy, and the tripod is reinforced with metal rods that are robust and stable. It can perform heavy work and are widely used in indoor and of course in outdoor scenes, such as parties, weddings, and of course in your studios. That's awesome for photography. And excellent soft light effects. The RALENO Softbox Studio Light set contains 2 times of soft boxes and 2 times of soft screens, equipped with the bulbs, 5500 Kelvin SFL. Compared to a light-emitted diode, the 85 watt bulbs have a higher brightness level, so it can provide a constant and continuous light for shooting. The Softbox lampshade and the umbrella fabric select high-quality nylon fabric, widens the light strongly and diffuse it. It can eliminate glare, improve the soft light effects, and remove shadows on the sides and tops. It makes portrait photography and product shoots softer and more delicate. In addition to the 4 original bulbs, they have also added additional replacement bulb for us. That's good. And 4 times of light stands. That's for the installation of our softbox and of course the soft umbrellas. And this is made of 100% aluminium. This is durable and strong. The light stand has a 3-piece design, and the height can be quickly adjusted by releasing the knobs. And then we can adjust the range from 26.7 inches to 78.7 inches. The lamp holder on the light stand can be flexible, rotated 210 degrees. This allows us to get the right light from multiple angles. Whenever we are photographing products, baby photography or video production, this set here is our smart choice. Then RALENO is a brand that focuses on researching photography lights and microphones too. They have always believed that there is a touching story behind every photo and every sound. On the road of re-exploration, they hope to become honest friends with us customers, with value for money products, and the concept of customers first to create more possibilities. And that's right, because you will get here everything what you need to become a nice photographer. The tripod is really easy to attach. We adjust the bottom knob, we unfold the tripod and tighten the knob to adjust the height as we need. Then we have a soft window installation. We open the softbox and place the bottom of the softbox into the top of the tripod. And, of course, we have to lock the knob. Then we go to rotate the bulb clockwise into the soft socket and turn it until the bulb can't rotate anymore. When we attach the cloth of the front of the light box is required. And, according to individual needs, we adjust the lamp head angle, the adjustment knob to select the appropriate position of the fixed softbox is easy to use, as you can see. And we have a tripod. And this tripod is really easy to operate. We adjust the knob to unfold the tripod and tighten the knob to adjust the height as needed, because we now go and attach an umbrella, for example. We install the photography umbrella. So, installing then the main part. This, we take out the umbrella switch, we insert the top of the tripod and lock the knob. Then we open the umbrella, insert the handle into the socket of the lamp switch hole and tighten it. We screw the bulb into the lamp socket and turn it to the end until the lamp cannot rotate anymore. This is every time the same. And we screw the bulb into the lamp easily. The angle of the photography umbrella head can be adjusted according to the individual needs, and the appropriate position of the photography umbrella can be selected easily. Okay, let's go to the background system. It's the same thing with the tripods anymore. The 4 crossbars can be assembled from 1.5 to 3 meters according to the individual needs. When assembling the crossbar, the 2 tubes with the mounting holes must be placed on the outermost side of the 2 slides, of course. When installing the crossbar, we snap the silver metal end into the other tube with 2 small holes and screw it into the crossbar to fit the hole with the lock pin. You does not need any part of tool for this. We pass the crossbar out of the hanging sleeve of the back round cloth, and then we can also attach the cloth easily by assembling the cross frame and the tripod. We use the 3 clips to provide the clip at the background cloth to the crossbar. So that makes you a little bit individual use of the cloth. We insert the holes on the outside of the crossbar of the tripod, and we install the screw pad and then the screw. And of course we tighten it. We remove the reflectors from the back and shake it to open. And then we complete everything, and we can make and have a nice RALENO photo studio set. The portable backdrop stand is great additional for photographers. The stand is easy to assemble and simple dismantling for the different location shoots. It is designed to support all types of backgrounds. We have a durable lightweight aluminium, a wide tripod base for extra stability, a lock on the support beam. It is assembled in minutes, and easy vertical telescoping design. The background size is 2.6 to 3 meters. The background size is 1.8 to 2.8 meters. You can choose. A single head softbox is 50 to 70 centimeters. The light stand is 2 meters. The bulbs are 85 watt powered. The soft umbrella 33 inches. These are 84 centimeters. And you will get everything what we need. A backdrop support stand, backdrops, 3, 5 bulbs, 4 light stands, single head soft boxes 2 times, these soft umbrellas 2 times, 2 light holder, 3 clamps, a reflector, and a carrying bag. You can see everything what we need is in that box to start as a professional photographer. This is the RALENO photo studio set with awesome backgrounds, green screen included, with soft boxes and umbrellas. And of course, with the lighting services. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.